Natural strategies for healthy joint support. Joint health is fundamental for maintaining mobility and quality of life. Healthy joints facilitate everyday activities, from walking to lifting objects. The smooth functioning of joints relies on various factors, including diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle choices. Maintaining joint health is crucial for preventing conditions like arthritis and osteoporosis. Keeping joints healthy can reduce pain and improve mobility. Prioritizing joint health from an early age can lead to a more active and comfortable life in later years. Diet plays a significant role in joint health. A balanced diet, rich in vitamins and minerals, supports joint function. Consuming the right nutrients can help reduce inflammation and protect joint tissues from wear and tear. Anti-inflammatory foods are beneficial for joint health. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts help reduce inflammation. Including these foods in your diet can alleviate joint pain and improve overall joint function. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for joint health. Found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, they help reduce inflammation and protect joint cartilage. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet can significantly benefit your joints and overall well-being. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to its active compound curcumin. Regular consumption can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, making it a potent natural remedy for conditions like arthritis. Incorporate turmeric into your diet through teas, smoothies, or curries. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting joints from oxidative stress. They neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and tissue damage. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens, can significantly contribute to maintaining healthy joints and overall well-being. Staying hydrated is essential for joint lubrication. Water helps maintain the synovial fluid, which cushions and nourishes the joints. Adequate hydration can prevent joint stiffness and discomfort, ensuring smooth and pain-free movement. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Maintaining a healthy weight is vital for joint health. Excess weight adds stress to weight-bearing joints, increasing the risk of joint damage and osteoarthritis. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help achieve and maintain an optimal weight, supporting overall joint function. Exercise is crucial for joint health, promoting flexibility, strength, and range of motion. Regular physical activity helps keep joints lubricated and muscles strong, reducing the risk of injuries. Choose activities that you enjoy and can sustain, such as walking, swimming, or cycling. Low-impact exercises like swimming and cycling are excellent for joint health. These activities provide cardiovascular benefits without putting undue stress on your joints, making them ideal for maintaining mobility and reducing the risk of injury. Strength training is essential for joint health because it helps build muscle around the joints, providing better support and stability. Focus on exercises that use your body weight or resistance bands to minimize strain while maximizing benefits. Yoga enhances flexibility and strengthens muscles, which can significantly benefit joint health. It also promotes relaxation and stress relief, contributing to overall well-being. Regular practice can improve your range of motion and reduce joint stiffness. Rest is crucial for joint health, allowing your body to repair and regenerate tissues. Overworking your joints can lead to inflammation and pain. Balancing activity with adequate rest ensures your joints remain healthy and functional. Adequate sleep is vital for joint recovery and overall health. During sleep, your body undergoes repair processes that are essential for maintaining joint function. Prioritizing quality sleep can help reduce inflammation and promote long-term joint well-being. Supplements can play a crucial role in maintaining joint health. They help to replenish essential nutrients that may be lacking in your diet, promoting joint flexibility and reducing inflammation. Common supplements include glucosamine, chondroitin, and omega-3 fatty acids. Glucosamine and chondroitin are popular supplements known for their ability to support joint health. They help to repair and maintain cartilage, reducing pain and improving mobility. Regular intake can lead to better joint function and overall comfort. Herbal remedies offer natural alternatives for joint health. Ingredients like ginger, boswellia, and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties that can ease joint pain. These remedies often come in the form of teas, capsules, or topical applications. Essential oils can also contribute to joint health. Oils such as eucalyptus, peppermint, and lavender are known for their anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Massaging these oils onto affected areas can provide relief from pain and stiffness. Avoiding joint strain is essential for long-term joint health. Simple actions like lifting objects correctly and taking breaks during repetitive tasks can prevent unnecessary stress on your joints. Being mindful of your movements can lead to healthier, more resilient joints. Maintaining proper posture is vital for preventing joint strain and ensuring long-term joint health. Proper alignment reduces unnecessary stress on joints and supports overall body mechanics, which can prevent injuries and alleviate existing discomfort. Good posture habits can significantly enhance daily life. In summary, focusing on joint health through diet, exercise, hydration, and proper posture can lead to a more active and pain-free life. By integrating these practices, you can protect your joints and promote overall well-being, ensuring optimal mobility. With that said, I will see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos.